my question is, when you get a deal on contract, what is the best and quickest way to get a buyer?
For on market?
Yes, for on market.
The best way that I've found, and have done this for a long time, still do it today, even if I've got a big cash buyer list, my first go-to is always, who are the local active flippers in the neighborhood? They are going to be your best buyer for your deal every time, because flippers like to flip in the same neighborhoods where they've previously flipped. And so if they've done a deal or they bought something and they're rehabbing it now and they're in the same neighborhood, that's your go-to. So what I'll do is I'll research out who's flipping houses. You can do that right online. If you go to Zillow, look at renovated homes, the top selling homes, reach out to that agent who represented the flipper, let them know you've got a deal that you're looking to sell. Let that agent take their buyer and see it. And I mean, typically, as long as I've got a deal, typically I talk to 12, 14, 15 agents that represented flippers in the same area. One of them is going to want my deal.
Okay.
Yeah, it's really, really effective strategy.
Okay. Thanks, Jerry.
Yep. Awesome. Good job, Brian.